In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a beneficiary to your PNC account. This process is important to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Let's get started by first discussing the foundational steps to get this task done. Before diving into the process, remember that specific procedures might vary depending on your account type, so confirming with PNC through phone, online support, or a physical visit to a branch is a good idea. But here's the general approach. First, form online or request it at a physical branch. If you run into any trouble locating this document online, your next best step is to contact PNC customer service. They can assist you in accessing the form that's right for your specific account type. Once you have the form, it's time to fill it out with pertinent details. Make sure to have your PNC or certain account types might require your spouse's consent, so be prepared for that. After you have thoroughly filled out the form, the next step is to submit it to PNC for processing. This can often be done at a PNC branch or, depending on the options available, via mail or online submission. Once it's been handed over to PNC, you'll want to make sure everything is squared away and officially recognized on their end. To verify that your beneficiary designation has been accepted, keep an eye on your online account settings or your monthly account statements. It's important to double check this for your peace of mind. Additionally, it doesn't hurt to contact PNC directly and confirm that your information has been correctly recorded. And don't forget to keep a copy of the completed form in your personal records for future reference. Lastly, remember that situations change, and so might your decisions on beneficiaries. Whether due to changes in your personal life or any other reason, you can usually update, add, or remove beneficiaries at any time by completing a new designation form and submitting it again. And that wraps up the process. By following these steps, you can ensure your affairs are in order and your assets are distributed as you intend. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need to update your beneficiary information.